birdie, birdie. What time is it?
1 o'clock.
And it's okay, birdies. It's fine. I'm just gonna get my slippers on. Ooh, JJ feather. I can use that later. Let's go outside and feed them. They won't. They'll run away.
Okay, fine. Let's go one bird.
Get out. Before JJ escapes. Birdie! Daddy.
You guys are back again?
We're hungry.
Yeah. It's been like 30 minutes and you guys are back again.
We're hungry.
You were right. We could have put it in the water.
I think they like us.
They should be our pets.
Yeah, they're all outdoor pets. They're from the wild. Well, that's weird. This time Elizabeth's in the front and now Heather's in the back. I mean, they are JJ's friends. No, they're not. One of them was really mean. Yo 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 yo. Yo 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 yo. Yo 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 yo. Yo 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 yo.
Not obvious.
I know. Ah! Did you see that? It landed on Heather. Hello, Heather. Hello, Elizabeth. Heather and Elizabeth are the bestest team. Oh my gosh, that's Heather. 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 Feather. Heather. Elizabeth. Heather and Elizabeth. And we have Olivia and Feather. Do you know what's bad one time? One time we were feeding them, and guess what happened? Olivia and Heather were running away from Heather and Elizabeth. Isn't that bad?
Okay.
Yeah. Like they were going that way, and they were going this way. You need to be with your
We need
friends.
more bread. This is fun. Ryan, you want to go get more bread?
I can't.
Why?
I'm
You're
recording.
recording.
I'm sorry. I'm recording.
You don't have to record that long. You just pause recording. I'll go get more bread. You try to keep it here. I'll go get more bread. Try to keep it there. Oh my goodness, Anya, what are you doing? Oh my goodness. The big birds are at the patio door. But 30 minutes later, they just came back. It was like really weird. Whoa, what are you doing? Oh
Dancing.
my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is fun.
But don't waste all the bread. We need some for next time they come.
I'm not wasting all the bread. Only the Argonauts is licensed, but... But how often do they come?
Every day, actually.
So every day, so every evening you feed them?
Sometimes at 12, sometimes now.
Wait, they usually come in the evening.
They come for dinner, lunch, and breakfast.
Yeah, dinner, wait. So they come, so it's 6:30 a.m. They come, wait,
No, at 5 they come.
5 a.m.? How do they come at 5 a.m.?
No, like I'm saying 5 in the afternoon they come for dinner.
I
And
mean, usually in the mornings, they come like around at 7, I think, now, because, you know, the seasons are changing, so you know, it's getting dark.
Ooh, look at them eat. Ooh, look at them eat. Ooh, look at them dance. Ooh, ooh. Do you know how I catch them attracted? I was throwing stuff and they're dancing.
Whoa.
Oh, I guess they want to leave now. Oh, they're not leaving already? I guess they really like Birdie Donalds, right? And if you ever see them, give them bread so they can eat. Because they are pets for everybody that feeds them, of course. But if you don't have any bread, but you have fish, maybe you give them. I don't like feeding the fishes, but you can. Okay, bye. Okay, that was quite an adventure, guys. Living with the birds, you know how it's like. Oh, they're still there. Still there. Dancing to... What are you doing, JJ? JJ? I'm in detention. How are you in detention?